Hi guys, during the summer me and my partner were camping and we needed a kitchen set, and I came across this GSI outdoors. So basically what you get in it is you get a scrubber, a pot scrubber, a very small cutting board, a microfiber cloth, tongue, a spatula, a spoon. You also get a salt and pepper pot, which nests into each other. So I've already opened this up, guys, and I've added a few bits of my own to it. So as I said, it comes in its own case. It has D-loops, so you can quite easily attach this to something. The cutting board isn't that big, to be fair. We do have our own cutting board that we use, but this is about the same size as a phone. So you've also got a back pocket there, but we just keep that in there just because I think it hides the rigidity of the pack. If I can slide it back in. So to open it up, you've got that on that. So inside there, like I said, you've got everything that you would need. So this is the salt and pepper. It's attached inside by loops. You also get a small Nalgene bottle. You can put cooking oil in that, but we'll be putting washing up liquid in there, biodegradable, obviously. So I'll just put that down there for a second. These are the packable tongs. Now, to open them, you just pivot them open, and then you have a locking system there, which locks in. We've not used these yet, but we will be doing very shortly. So yeah, high quality, has the GSI logos on that. Next in the bag, we have the pivot spatula. Again, the same thing. You just open it out, lock it in place. It's very, very sturdy. And then you get the pivot spoon, and inside that, if the camera can pick it up, just open this handle a bit more. You have measurements. You also get one of those dish scrubbies. This is the GSI scraper. It's silicone, so you have a soft tip, and then you have a harder tip there, so you can get down your pans and scrape it out. Then on the lid of the bag, you have another section. In here, I've stuffed another large scouring pad. I've also got a MSR piezo lighter. So this just emits a spark from the top, so you can light your butane gas. And the dishcloth. So for like all of this, that comes in such a small bag. It's not a bad kitchen setup. You've got everything you need, like to cook your stuff with, and also to wash up. So yeah, that's a GSI outdoors kitchen.